Welcome to the PMdistilled guide.com. PMdistilled guide is a ebook which is less than 150 pages explaining predictive project management, agile project management, and hybrid project management in detail. Throughout this book, I have used the practitioner's perspective that makes project management quite interesting. So it starts with how to select the right projects, because majority of the projects fail at the beginning. Because if a project doesn't have the right business case, the fate of the project is already decided upfront. So after selecting the right projects which has the right business case and the payback period, the net present values and all those things, the next step is identifying the right project manager who believes in teamwork, who believes in ethics, who is trustworthy, and who is a servant leader, who can be trusted, respected. So all these aspects or the values and the principles, he must be an embodiment of the values and principles of project management. So we discuss about it. What are the qualities of a good project manager? What are all the things we should really take care while choosing the project manager? Because if the project manager is not efficient, that is a disaster. So starting a project which doesn't have a business case is a problem. Appointing a project manager who doesn't have the right skill sets and the attitude and the value systems is another risky area. And once this much is done, then we have to decide on the approach of project management. So based on the nature of the project, we have to decide whether we are going with predictive project management or agile project management or a combination or a hybrid project management approach. If we are following predictive project management, the first thing is we start with initiation, create a charter. Through the charter, the project manager is appointed, key stakeholders are identified, and then the project manager drives the project into the planning phase. And at that time, the team comprises of the project manager, the project management team, and the project team. The project manager and the project management team plays the major role while planning the project, and they plan the project, they execute it, and throughout they monitor and control the project and formally close the project. That is if they are taking the predictive map. If they get into the agile route, they create the product backlog, they do the release planning, then they get into sprint planning meetings and sprinting and the daily stand-ups, sprint reviews and retrospectives. They take that route. Some projects, it calls for both or a mix. That is, some phases of the project we can efficiently manage by using agile, whereas some phases of the same project, if we follow purely predictive, that gives us better value. So within the same project itself, some phases can be agile and some phases can be predictive. That is another way. Or the predominant style can be predictive, and within predictive, we start following some ceremonies of agile, like the stand-up meetings and the retrospectives and stuff like that. So that is also hybrid. So this guide takes you through this natural flow of the project. and that makes it easy to understand, easy to relate with the real work, and easy to recollect. This PMdistilled guide can be used by anybody who wants to understand project management very quickly and very efficiently without spending a lot of time. And it can also be used by people who wants to enhance their credentials, like the PMP, the RMP. PMP is Project Management Professional by PMI USA, and the RMP Risk Management Professional, or it can be any of those Agile certifications like Scrum Master certifications and stuff like that. So for all these things, this ebook can help. And along with the ebook, you get the PMdistilledguide.com site as an aid, which has all those concepts explained through videos, and then there is a assessment module as well, so that will make you clear about your understanding about the topics. I wish you happy mastering of professional project management with a view to make your project successful, and at the same time you enhance your credentials and capabilities. Wish you good luck.